So the mind of an advanced devotee is transparent, it's clear. When you look into the mind of the pure devotee, you can see many colors there. You can see this beautiful blue color there, Sham, Krishna. And you can see this beautiful golden color of Radharani. And when you see that those colors mixing, they become emerald green. Because when you combine gold and blue, you get green. Back to our art class. Blue and yellow make green. Red and blue make purple. And there you have it, infrared to ultraviolet. So, their minds are cool, they're transparent, and they're filled to the brim with cool, sweet-tasting water. So the lakes are, this is obvious, the lakes are full, as we see Radhakund with every rainfall, it fills up. 2 weeks ago there were 4 steps, 1 week ago there were 3 steps, now there's 2 steps, and it keeps coming, there'll be 1 step, then there'll be no steps. And then we have Gorakund. Radhakund? No. Shyamakund? No. Gorakund. That's when the two become one. When Radha Krishna Yugal become one, they become Gauranga, Lord Gora. So that's happened many years. Especially years, the two kunds, they meet together at the Sangam. There's 6 inches, 8 inches of Prem Ras over the Sangam. So you can't see the Sangam. You can see the Shilas of Giriraj, but actually the steps of the Sangam, the platform that you walk on, you walk through water. So there's one continuous water level. Shyamakund and Radhakund is a continuous water level which takes in the actual Sangam. It doesn't cover over, there's a big 10-foot temple there. It doesn't go that high, at least so far. If it does that, it will be in our living room. If it goes that high. We'll be inside Radhakund right now. Shri Radha Kund ki jai. So let's look at this point here. Shukadeva Goswami is saying the minds of the Mahan Mana, the minds of great souls, great devotees, they have this third characteristic. They're cool, they're transparent, cool, not burning, they're cool, peaceful, composed, because they're always remembering Krishna, speaking about Krishna. And they're transparent. You can see Radha and Krishna through their minds. And then the third quality is given here is that says they're filled to the brim with sweet-tasting water. Cool, sweet-tasting water. So, what does that mean when applied to a Mahan Mana, the mind of a great devotee? That means his mind, the mind of a great devotee, is filled to the brim with sweet Madhurya Ras. Because the name for water is Ras. Krishna says in Gita, Rasoham apsukonteya prabhasmi shashasuryo. I am the taste of water, Rasoham apsukonteya. I am the light of the sun and moon, prabhasmi shashasuryo. So this is what we see. The mind is filled with sweet tasting ras. So it's madur, sweet, honey, madhu, honey or shahad. It's sweet tasting ras, and it's filled, and his mind is filled. It's sweet, but he's tasting it. The great devotee is tasting that ras, and he distributes it to others. So if someone associates with the mind and actions and speaking of the great devotee, then he gets some taste. The talks of an advanced devotee are very tasty. They're actually very relishable to the mind of the devotee. So the Vrindavan mind has these 3 attributes that are indicated in this verse by Shukadeva Goswami.